Oo, Ma'am Karil, 'di ba? Excited, may kasamang kilig. Kasi why? Kasi kapag alam mong nahanap mo yung kingdom ng Panginoon, 'di ba? You find His kingdom in this world. Malalaman mo yung holiness ng Panginoon. 'Di ba? Yung attribute ng Diyos. Malalaman mo yung pagmamahal niya para sa atin. Malalaman mo yung kagustuhan ng Panginoon sa atin. Sin, what is sin? In Hebrews. In Hebrews, what is sin? Sin in Hebrews is rebellion. Amen. Lawlessness. Diba? Now, in 1 Samuel chapter 15, verse 23, binanggit doon yung sin about sorcery, witchcraft. It is sin about refusing to obey. In Old Testament, disobedience. Now, in New Testament, it is also disobedience, but not in the spirit, but in the flesh. Okay? So, that's why you don't want to obey what the Spirit wants you to do, because refusing to obey is a sin and bad of a sorcery, worshiping idols. Ibig sabihin, flesh is what? Idolatry. Okay? Flesh is idolatry. Mahirap. But the Lord is always there, telling to us na hayaan mo ako ang gumawa behalf of your body. Huwag mong isipin kung ano yung mga nagumugulo sa isipan mo ngayon. Huwag mong isipin kung ano yung mga marami mong tanong ngayon sa buhay mo. Just take the heart. And I will do the rest. Mamamangha ka sa akin. The Lord said. Naniwala kayo. Ikilabutan kayo kung gaano katalino yung Panginoon.